Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my
peoples, I'm back, and if you watched my previous video, then as promised, I am here with a review on this blow dryer. So this is it says one step hair dryer and styler. It has the power of a dryer, precision of a styler. It's smooth, frizz-free results in half the time. Okay, so like I mentioned in my last video when I had tangle brushes, I don't really blow dry my hair often, but it's nice to every now and then, occasionally, maybe once a year, get a nice little pull and stretch. And it's nice to see, you know, the length of what my hair looks like stretched out. So I'm about to open it for the first time. I haven't touched it because I wanted to do the video for y'all. All right. So, and I just washed my hair like literally right before I did this video, so still pretty damp. Now, how to operate. I mean, that's probably self-explanatory, but it came with this little pamphlet here. I've watched a ton of reviews about this brush. Let me tell you, I like to see how other people with my hair type feel about certain products before I go ahead and spend my money. So I already know that from a lot of the other reviews, they said that the air pretty much only comes from this top half. So a lot of people were blow drying like this. I don't understand why it has all these holes if it only comes from the top part, but I don't know. Anyway, so it has 3 settings minus the off setting. It has high, low, and cool. Okay, this plugged in cord is pretty long, so that's cool. It has this nice 360 rotating swivel thingy. So I think I want to start off with, I want to say the low setting because I'm a little scared of the heat in my hair. Alright, so I got this section ready to go. I pinned my hair back on these parts. So like I said, I'm going to start on the low setting. Okay, so just from this one section, this was on low. I mean, it's looking decent for a blow dry. It feels soft. Let's just see how the whole head goes then. Let's go. I just finished the right side of my hair. With a good little arm workout with all the back and forth. I think the low setting takes longer for my hair because it's so thick. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to do high on this side just to see if there's a difference. So yeah, that's that. I feel like it gave me a stretch, but I don't think it gave me a good stretch. Alright, right off the bat, the high setting is probably where I want to be when it comes to stretching, because look at the difference. And my hair is not 2 different lengths on each side. Like this side still has a little bit of spring back. This side pretty much there. So I guess high it is. We about to keep going.
And just a quick side note, the instructions do say use low setting on fine or thin hair and high setting on thick and coarse hair. It said to use the cool setting to lock in the style.
Yeah, high definitely dries more quicker than low for sure. Last piece. Whew. I definitely need to cut my ends. I'm sweating. This thing gets hot. Like right in the neck area. Burned my hand a little bit. But it got the job done. I'm sweating. Might have to go back over it, but there we have it. I must say it's a lot easier than my usual blow dryer. I got one of the regular schmegler. I guess I'll show y'all what I normally use. So this is what I normally use. This is a Conair. It was real cheap. I think I got it from one of your average stores like Walmart, Big Lots, something like that, Target. I don't know. I forgot where I got it. I've had it for years. But this is what I normally use. I'm definitely going to start using this. Now, on my husband, this works fine because he has very much more manageable hair. This is better for me because my hair is a lot more thick and coarse. So yeah, there you have that. But yeah, so this is the final result. I think I'm gonna go back over this side because it looks a little uneven because I use high on this side and low on this side. I guess you can't really tell, but I can a little bit. So yeah, see, I can still stretch it a little bit, but so that's that. Any other ideas y'all want to see from me, any products you want me to review, leave them in the comment below and I'll be happy to go ahead and try them out. But until next time, it's been real. Toodles. Bye.